Why, hello everyone. Ashanti Titus here, Profit Mode Financial Services. I hope that you're having an amazing day. Today I wanted to talk to you about some prep work that needs to be done if you paid any individuals for services, especially individuals that own LLCs for the 2023 year. 1099s need to be ready and made up and ready to go for 2024. There is a deadline that is at the end of January and that the 1099s need to be done. The 1099 MIS forms are what I'm talking about. These forms can be done electronically, or you would have to purchase specific paper at Office Depot or Staples. I know in the past that's where you could find them in order to do these 1099 forms. At Profit Mode, we actually provide and you provide the information, and we actually do 1099s for individual companies as well. So one of the things that you need to do if you're going to do this yourself is to go ahead and you need to be able to go to pull your QuickBooks information, all of the individual vendors that you have. Hopefully you have a W-9 in or on file for these individuals, and then you have the accumulated amount of what you paid them from January 1st, 2023, all the way up until December the 31st, 2023. Okay. So this accumulative amount should be over the amount of $600. Anything over, anyone that you have paid over $600 to, you should be administering a 1099 for them. We actually have a system in place where we file these electronically for individual business owners. And so you don't even have to worry about it. All you have to do is provide us with the information, and we make sure that they can get it by mail or email or both, depending on your preference and what you would like. We make sure that it gets done for you. There are some individuals who only have 10 employees, two employees or contractors, rather. They have contractors and individuals they do business with. Others have hundreds of vendors and they need that information organized. We help you to get that information organized. All right. And so if you are kind of like, don't know where you stand, or you're a little bit, in the midst of trying to figure it out, we can definitely put a consultation call together for you to help you get all of this information ready so that you are ready when the time comes to issue these 1099s. All right. So it's very important. Do not sleep on this, and make sure that your books are in line and in order, and you know exactly how much you paid your vendors. Therefore, you can send out an accurate 1099 before the deadline. Okay. Hopefully you guys are staying profitable and staying great. I'm also going to, before I end this video, I'm going to go over here so you guys can see what I'm talking about. So on the IRS website, the 1099 MIS form, your information will be here because you're the one that's paying it out. You're going to have your EIN number here, and then also their number here. And then specifically, what did you pay them for? Was it for rents? Was it for royalties? Or was it some other type of income? And as you can see, there's various ones. And normally these individuals are not on your payroll. So most people do not pay out contractors federal income tax, right? Because they're subcontractors. Then you would have to have your recipient's name here and the address and all of that. I'm going to do a separate video talking about the forms that you need to make sure that you have on file before you pay any individual. And putting this process in place is going to put you in a position to where you're never having to hunt down these W-9s so that your 1099s can be filed on time. I hope that you guys found this information helpful. If you found it helpful, please share this with a fellow entrepreneur. And this is just a reminder. Let's get ready so that, just already be prepared so we don't have to get ready, right? Get ready now so later we won't have to get ready. All right. Until next time, y'all stay profitable and stay great. And I'll be continuing to bring you more helpful content. Talk to you soon. Bye.